Hello everyone, I am Varsha Sambhaje, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SRM University-AP. Today, I will walk you through our CSE curriculum. What you will learn, how we teach it, and most importantly, where it can take you. Whether you are a prospective student, a parent, or a colleague exploring collaborations, I am here to give you a clear and honest picture of what makes our program at CSE distinctive. At SRM University-AP, we believe computer science and engineering education must achieve two goals simultaneously: building strong conceptual foundations and developing hands-on engineering skills. Our curriculum is designed so that every theoretical concept you learn in the classroom is reinforced through lab work, projects, and real-world applications. First 2 years or semesters, you will have focus on building the foundations. Students study mathematics, programming, and system thinking. The next 2 years focus on depth and specialization in areas such as AI and ML, data science and cybersecurity, along with emerging technologies like future planning of IoT or quantum technologies. We are also having the capstone projects as a part of our curriculum in your 4th year. Students deepen their expertise, choose elective tracks and work on substantial independent projects. One of the strongest features of our curriculum is the flexibility of our elective courses. Students can tailor their education toward the domains they are most passionate about. We currently offer electives such as core electives, technical electives, and SRM University-AP based electives. At SRM University-AP, close industry collaboration and research exposure are integrated directly into the undergraduate experience. Our department runs several active research labs, including Nextech Lab, Gigs for Gigs, ACM, IEEE, etc., where undergraduate students work alongside doctoral scholars and faculty on funded projects. Apart from this, we also have different clubs for various technical activities. To summarize, our CSE curriculum at the SRM University-AP offers a rigorous, flexible and industry-aligned education in a research-active environment. So here, I welcome you all for the CSE department. So what's the wait? Just come and join the SRM University-AP. Thank you.